In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets. First, add your data into the sheet. If your data is in another file, copy and paste it into Google Sheets. Make sure your columns contain labels like months or categories, and the rows contain the numbers for each group. Next, check that all your data lines up correctly across the columns. This helps the chart display properly. Now go to the top menu and click Insert. Then select Chart from the drop-down menu. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart using your selected data. On the right side, the chart editor will appear. Under the Setup section, find the Chart Type menu. Click it and scroll down until you see Line Chart. Then select it. Your chart will update instantly and display multiple lines, with each line representing a different data series. If something looks incorrect, double-check that the right rows and columns were selected. And that's how to create a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets.